Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 27th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, a very nice bounce. Look at this. We are up 62 cents, 6.6% in one day. Closed at 10.02. Post-market, we are down by 6 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had a nice move next week, and then we had a candle that looked like it did not know what it wanted to do. Then 3 days of pullback right on this support right here. In fact, we closed a little bit below. And we were just below also 947, which is another support that we were looking at. But lo and behold, today, look at this perfection right here. The candle touched at the support perfectly and then launched away. Very nice move for Palantir. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we had a gap up during the first hour of the day. Then the stock was not too sure what to do. Tried to go up, was pushed down, tried to go up again, and then it really succeeded in going up during from 2:30 on. We have a big green candle. So this is showing us that we have strong bullish momentum right here. Just like we had right here. When you have a big green candle like this, you know that we have a lot of buyers that are pushing the sellers up. This is what happened. And we are even up for the last hour of the day. Coming back on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators, how they fared with this move. So we had lost stochastic over 60 and we are gaining it back right now. That's a nice thing to see. And then we had lost RSI. We had lost RSI over 650, so we can gain that back too. So all in all, everything is positive in terms of the indicator, and we are very close to the support. When all of the indicators are bullish, we should have a nice move. We should have a nice move. We should be reaching the top of this resistance right here. So we should be reaching momentarily 1139 or something like that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.